That's all you got for Christmas? Those are all Sissy's presents. What is it?
It's nothing.
What?
Nothing in the box. What is this?
She has it. You gotta open it really good. See what you get.
Okay.
How come there was nothing in that box? Were you on the nice list this year?
No.
No!
Because some of them wasn't nothing in this box.
Aw, man.
Nothing in the box.
Aww.
It's okay.
I think Santa gave all your toys to the good kids this year.
No, he didn't. Really?
Ooh, what is it? What could it be?
What's in there?
Oh, man. He wrapped that one good, huh?
I think it's something. This. She wrapped me this.
And what is that?
Hang up.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
I'll open this one next.
That one got to be something good.
What could it be? You got something to hang up, an empty box, and now what?
No, it's not.
What do you got?
Shark Tales! I got another Shark Tale movie.
Is there a movie in there? Check to see if there's a movie in there.
It's locked. Santa forgot to
Isn't that crazy, Santa?
Yeah.
You must have been on the naughty list this year.
Okay, what happened to the little one?
Huh, what
It's under there, under the blue ribbon. Under the blue bow.
is it?
Let's see what that could be. Ooh, that looks like something cool. Look at Mommy, sit down so you can see the camera. Cool, what is that?
Correct.
Cool.
He sent me a correct. I'm going to check on the other one.
That's all there is. You like your presents Santa got you?
Well, I want to open Sissy's.
No, you can't. Those are hers.
That's for Sissy to open.
Oh, she can't open it because she